When you drive through Giles, you immediately know it's a special community. And it's not only the parkway and the trees and the extra landscaping and the monumentation, it's the look and feel of those homes. And when you see it, you know it, you feel it. What we bring is a superior amenity package. The land gives us the opportunity to create wonderful trails that will connect the homes to the amenities.
It's exciting, it's new, it's different, and it's our flagship community in Hanover.
The community is shaping up, it looks wonderful, it feels wonderful.
The homes have all been designed meticulously with a lot of care. The exterior finishes are gorgeous with the James Hardie exteriors, which sets us apart from all of our other competitors.
We started thinking early on James Hardie siding would be a great differentiator for us.
The customers recognize the name, they love the durability of the product, and they love the fact that they can pick out unique color schemes to really customize their homes.
It gets a lot of people excited. It's something different that they normally don't see on some of the used homes and other things they see in the area.
James Hardie offers the developer and the builder a high quality, high integrity, superior architectural look. It essentially intertwines the community and connects everything together.
Over the course of time, a James Hardie home will retain more of its resale value than a comparable product.
We have sold, on average, a home every other day. It has exceeded our expectations. Not only do you have this beautiful product, this long-lasting, durable product on your home and streetscape, you have a partnership with a company that's looking out for how can they make you be a better community.